Are you going to the whale like that angry spot? I wonder what they're talking about. Did anyone happen to...
I'm a fear.
Ask a question.
Well, not this time. No, look at them. I wonder what... Hi, I'm the angry spot.
Last time. Well, not this time.
Starting too. Other private human info. Oh, would have been so great. Starting too.
Well, not this time.
Therefore,
Brag, not without facing my...
down.
Finally got in.
Screaming life.
S voice is activated.
I have lived for centuries, yet I still...
Screaming life.
Well, not this time.
Around.
Can you...
Put this.
You're in good shape. Finally got in.
Happen to notice there's...
I'm a fear pirate.
I'm the angry
Galaxy.
Ask a question.
Believe we finally got in.
Cider.
Did anyone happen to notice there's a screaming light fly? Hi, I'm the angry spot.
Stop. Turn around.
Can you believe we finally...
When you tap them,
I swear that...
Promise.
This time.
Starting too. But I please gotta prove your...
Hi, Galaxy.
What's that? Light flying right at...
You're in good shape. You think you can just run a society of creature enthusiasts? Your heart rate is a bit high.
There was a second ago. Brag, not without facing...
Oh, would have been so great.
Therefore, you're in good shape.
I'm the eight. I wonder what they're talking about. At us?
let's see how that works.
I have lived for centuries, yet...
Finally got in. Your heart rate is a bit high. Jellies? Oh, yum!
Look at them. I wonder what they're talking about.
Just run away like last time.
Are you going to the crab carnival this year?
I feel like an outsider.
I please gotta prove your passwords.
The network connection.
You can just run away like last time.
Hi, I'm the angry spot.
Without facing my wrath.